for a staycation in Aerocity Pullman Hotel. We'll show you all about that, and at night maybe we'll go to Worldmark or Kubani. That's a new luxurious place of Delhi. Yeah. It's a really 5-star hotel. So you have lots of 5-star hotels in Aerocity. One is Andaz, Pullman, Roseate. You must have seen. So we'll show you around how it is. So about the booking, we booked this for around 20,000 per night, and that includes access to cocktail hours. So by cocktail hours we mean like 2 hours you can have as much as drinks you want. It will be free of cost. So Pullman is part of, I think, Novotel hotels, and Andaz is part of Hyatt. Okay.
So this is a lift area for entering the rooms, and this is a bar area. Drinks, we can do drinks here, and this is, I think, restaurant. Nice.
This is amazing lobby of Pullman Hotel. We have just checked in. So this is our room. We'll place the card here. Okay, and this is welcome to our room. Have 2 water bottles, some milk and tea, water kettle. There's a nice painting here. Looks really old. Some guest house. And the room is really nice. You can see the curtains and everything. Lawn chair, 2 water bottles. So this is our bed. Perfect. Let's go to the washroom. And this is amazing. You can see the bathtub. So what we have here, okay, sanitary bags, shower cap, shaving kit, and it's a body lotion, comb, dental kit, basic stuff. And this is nice, cute box to keep that. 2 water bottles in the room also, and the bathing bar, tissues. We have a hair dryer, and this is a really nice bathtub. So we have separate shower room and washroom, which is a good thing in addition to the bathtub. And there is a how to sliding mirror. So you have the press table, and slide. Oh, and also you have footwear and 1 key lock box. What else we have here? Okay, so this, let me tell you, this is all chargeable. These are biscuits and some snacks. There is nothing in the below drawer, and there should be a mini bar here. Yes. Okay, so what we have here, some cold drink, we have some soda, we have Budweiser, Corona. And what is this? Oh, sparkling water. And some paper boats and max protein. That's it here. Let's go for the view. I really like the room here. Oh, nice. So as you can see, we have airport view here. Basically, you can see the runway directly from here. That's great. This is something not nice to look at, but yeah, that's fine. And there's a working table also here, which you have the spa menu and the restaurant menu and room service directory, which is just a QR code. And that's really nice. So this is Worldmark. Looks crazy, eh? You can see how beautiful it is. This is just a connecting walkway between Worldmark 2 and Worldmark 1. And I'm going to One8 Commute to check if there is a Sufi night live performance or just a DJ. If it's a live performance, we'll go there. Otherwise, we'll go to Live Bar. So we are at the breakfast, and you can say it's nice bread. Chaat with pakode, vada. We have this live counters. We have idli, chole bhature, pav bhaji. Now you have different types of milks, honey, cereals, no fat butter, mango jam, different type of croissant. This is your omelette station, and that section is all Chinese. We have Chinese things. What we have is noodles, congee. There is something non-veg. Overall, a good spread of breakfast. You can have almost everything from South Indian, North Indian, aloo parantha, dosa, and then cereals, and everything is there. तो अभी मैडम छोले भटूरे लेके आई हैं, इनका पेट नहीं भर रहा. And here are some donuts and croissant. I'm having poha as a light breakfast. Some bananas and orange juice we finished.